Hello guys, welcome back to Piano from the Beginning. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to play the 1-4-1-5 progression in the key of F sharp minor. And to begin with, we must know the notes that make the F sharp minor scale. So the first degree is the F sharp key, then G sharp, A. This is because the third must be a flat. So from the you lower it a half step from the third degree of the major scale. Okay. However, this A is the relative major of the F sharp minor. For those who know what all that is all about. Okay, but let's keep going. So this is the third, this is the fourth degree, fifth degree, the C sharp, sixth degree is the D, seventh is the E, and then back to F sharp. So it will be however, that is called the F sharp natural minor scale. So when we are creating chords, we normally don't use that scale. Instead, we use what we call the harmonic minor, whereby we have the seventh raised by half step. So instead of the E, I'll raise the E by half step, and this will be called E sharp. Okay, however, it is an harmonic to F, but since we don't use one key twice in spelling the scale, that is why we refer this as E sharp and then to the F sharp. Okay, so now our chord 1 is going to be the F sharp minor because it is the root, third and fifth, and in this case the third is flat or lowered by half step, so that's our 1. The 4, based on the fourth degree of the scale, is the B, and it is going to take the third and fifth, a B minor triad and a not B major, because this also was lowered by half step. And then the 5 is going to be a major C sharp major, by virtue that we raised the 7th degree of the minor scale to this E sharp, which is just an harmonic to F. Okay, F natural, not F flat as some call it. This is F. Okay, so F natural and back to our 1. Okay, so like any other triad, these triads have their inversions, so I can play the F minor triad in first inversion and the F sharp, or I can take the C sharp, F sharp, and then the A here to have the second inversion of the same triad. And then the same with the B minor, root position, first inversion, and then the second inversion. And you already know, if you play in F sharp, you know about the C sharp major, which is our 5. Okay, so to play my 1-4-1-5, I will simply do what? I'll play F sharp major or F sharp minor as our 1 in an inversion, and then that's our 4, our 1, and then 5 is the C sharp, to this B minor, to the 5 repeatedly, and that gives us a 1-4-1-5 in the key of F sharp minor.